8, and I'm the first one who has to open the shop. What country are you, Laurinas?
Lithuania.
I never heard about that country.
How far away?
Why I need to be honest? Because you have to be honest, yeah? So, Laurinas, you have to be honest, yeah? Your favorite YouTuber?
Mr. Sorin?
Nah, don't lie, Laurinas, don't lie. Don't lie. Laurinas, pay cut! Pay cut! Massive pay cut! A smoke break?
No.
Smoke break? Smoke break? Christian.
We got the iPhone 14
Yeah, that
now,
is
huh?
Christian. Tell me your favorite YouTuber, but you have to be honest.
My favorite YouTuber?
Yeah.
Quantum Gravity Research.
Ah, pay cut for him, pay cut for everyone. Nice video about my colleagues, yeah? So Patrick, yeah? But you have to be honest, one question. Your favorite YouTuber?
No Romanians.
What?
No Romanian channel.
No Romanian channels. These guys deserve like a massive pay cut. Come on, you have to be honest.
I don't know, but I don't really watch my YouTube thing. I don't know. Linus Tech Tips. I don't know.
Massive pay cut, Ash. Vali, I will ask you something, we have to be honest.
Yes.
Your favorite YouTube channel?
My favorite YouTube channel is your YouTube channel.
Okay, tell me one of my last 10 videos.
One of your last 10 videos.
Yeah.
It's about fixing laptops.
We are going on the other shop to see Christian. It's Friday, so it's his shop today. Here are a lot of shops outside. Food? That's Romanian food. I don't know what's going on here today. Must be something important. Let's go on the other shop. Maybe not. Here is Greystack. You see, this is the second shop. Let's go inside and see what Christian is doing. Look, wasting time, right? Ah, you see? Wasting time, Christian. So I came here to tell me, what is your job?
My job?
Yeah, what you are doing here?
At the moment I'm fixing this camera.
Oh, yeah, I seen it when I came here. In.
If you're gonna show this to Ash, you need to see something.
Ah,
Give me a second. So I just had a call with him a minute ago.
oh, okay. So Christian is Romanian. And he came here probably 2 years ago?
Like at least 4 years ago.
4 years.
I'm working for you for 4 years.
For me, not for me.
Not for you, yeah. For you as well. I was working for Sorin. He was very mad at me at the beginning. Literally. Stop trying to fix my laptops. Those are my jobs. No.
So-
he's a good guy.
Oh, you're fixing phones. Okay,
Look how
okay.
many phones I have to fix, man. Look, all of them. This one is looping. Tell me.
No, that's a software thingy.
He doesn't know software.
So Christian went back to Romania like
11 months ago.
11 months ago, and he just come back 1 week ago, or how many days ago? Yeah. It's a nice guy. It's a nice
Sorin
guy.
was missing.
Tsuika, no, Palinka.
Palinka.
Palinka, not Tsuika. Not Tsuika. So what happened last time? So last time, like, was it like 1 year ago? So Christian just went back to Romania on holiday, for holiday, right? And when he come back from the holiday, I mean, everyone, you know, has a present from Christian, like, you know, like a nice bottle with something, you know, like cigarettes, you know, everyone from the shop, not me. I got a book. A book. That's insane.
A good book though.
Yeah, that's right. A good book. Oh, yeah, Vali, he's a Romanian guy. Vali, just tell us what you are doing on this show.
A bit of everything.
I mean, spune like a fresh menta.
He's saying to say I'm doing nothing, but I'm doing something right now.
Lorinas is he is a Lithuanian. He's the guy managing the phone. Lorinas, can you tell us what you are doing here?
Fixing a phone, iPhone 6,
I mean-
battery.
Basically wasting time, yeah?
No, you're wasting time.
Yeah, he's managing the phones, laptops, and things. Patrick is Polish. He's a Polish guy.
I'm a special guy. You bring the good stuff, it'll make it worse.
Oh, so basically you're in your lunch break, huh?
Yeah.
Wasting time, right?
Yeah, it's all about wasting time, right?
Patrick is a good guy. Unlocking phones, everything what is software, you
All
know,
software related, yeah.
So-
Unlocking language change phones.
everything, yeah?
Yeah, Knox, Google account.
Actually, me and Patrick, we are here for like 10 years, right, Patrick?
Yeah, so about that, yeah.
Yeah.
Right there.
So that's what we're doing here, and here is my desk, and everyone's desk. That's the shop live.
Did you get anything for
We are basically on Grace. Grace is a town near London, and a lot of people came here just because the rent is cheaper compared with London.
what is
Uh,
only
Actually, it's not.
for iPhone? Yeah, inside that.
Okay.